Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Chilling with the Smiths. Alright, I'm Shando, for those who are just joining in. Tonight we're going to prepare a smoothie, ripe banana and pear. So, in case you don't feel like cooking one evening, this is a healthy smoothie to try out. So, watch us while we get the ball on the roll. As we always say, people do their things differently. So we'll be showing you how we do ours, and then you can always comment and tell us how you do yours. Right? So let's go. So guys, here with me I have the blender. Already in the blender we have the ripe bananas and the avocado, which, as I tell you before, Jamaicans call it pear. The ripe bananas, what you can do, even with the avocado, you can freeze them. The fact that it's smoothie, because you know usually smoothies need ice cube to give it that texture, right? So you can freeze the ripe banana and the avocado before you make the smoothie. So here in the blender I have the avocado and the ripe bananas. In it we're going to add 2 cups of cow's milk. Guys, this is 100% cow's milk. To make it much more healthier, you can use low-fat milk or 1% milk. So as I said guys, it is your choice. So 1 cup was in. So this is the second cup that we're pouring in. So that's 2 cups guys. Also we're to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. I have the vanilla here. So I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon. I have the measuring spoon as well. Or, as we'll say, a little toops of vanilla. Alright, as it relates to the honey, guys, we are supposed to add 1 tablespoon of honey. As I tell you guys, it's supposed to be healthy. So the honey, so it's 2 teaspoons of honey. As I said guys, this is a very simple smoothie to make. So what we have, again I repeat, so it's ripe banana, avocado. So it can be 1 whole avocado, a small avocado, slice up. And then it can be 1 avocado to 3 fingers of bananas. You add 2 cups of milk. It can be low fat, it can be 1%, it can be full cream. It can be 100% cow's milk, so it all depends on your choice guys. You add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoonfuls of honey. You're going to add ice cube to get that texture, especially if you don't freeze the banana and the avocado. Also guys, nutmeg. You can also add nutmeg to it. Nutmeg is of course a spice, so you can add that to it as well. So what we are going to add now guys is the ice cube, so it can give it that texture that we're looking for, that smoothie texture. So let's go guys. Here guys, I have the ice cube. It's about 2 cups. This measure about 2 cups of ice cube, because of course we wanted to get that texture that I'm telling you about. So guys, here as I mentioned before, so now I have the avocado, I have the ripe banana, and of course as I said before, a few of them was frozen to give that texture to the smoothie. I also have 2 tablespoons of honey. I have 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 cups of milk. And I mentioned before, you can use even the almond milk. So almond milk, low fat milk, 1% milk, 100% cow's milk, and Yes, so you can use whichever milk you decide to use or you want to use, and depending on your health, of course, guys. And of course, I added the ice cube to give it that smoothie texture, as we said before. So now we're going to put it on the base, guys. Alright, and then we're going to cover it. So there we go, guys. So now we're going to blend. And of course, blending have to, when you blend your things, then you of course look at it to when it gets the proper texture. So there's not really any timing to it as to how long you blend it, guys. You just blend and just look at the texture and you determine how you're going to serve your smoothie. So here we go. So I'm going to pour it on first, and let's just put it on medium. I don't know what blender you have, but I'm just demonstrating the one that we have here now. So I'm going to put it on medium. So of course, guys, as I mentioned before, we are going to stop and to see how the texture is. You can also open it if you want, but just let's give it another run. Alright guys, based on what I'm seeing in this, it seems as if it needs some more ice cube. So it seems as if we have to get about 3 to 4 cups of ice cube, guys. So I'm going to put some more ice cube in it. So guys, here I have 2 more cups of ice cube. So I actually put 4 cups of ice cube in mine, guys. Because as I said before, we want to give it that texture that we're looking for, that smoothie texture. So let's go again, guys. So voila, guys. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. So this is what it looks like, guys. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So here you have it, guys. This is how simple it was. It's about 5 to 10 minutes to make, as long as you have your things prepared. So as I said, this is what it looks like. And you can serve it in your favorite glass or your favorite container that you drink out of. We have these 2 glasses here. You pour it up to the top. Voila! There you go. As simple as this. So as I was saying before, you can pour it in your favorite cup or whatever you choose to drink out of. Your choice. We choose these 2 glasses, and of course you can drink it with a straw or just like this. As simple as that. Thank you guys for watching as usual, and remember to share, like, and subscribe.